For the past 9 months, AISJ has been building towards something very specific. We set out to create an environment where entrepreneurship and innovation are not just aspirational concepts on a website, they're a lived experience for our scholars. We embedded Babson College, the world's top-ranked entrepreneurship institution, into our faculty development. We restructured every scholar club around the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals so that student-led initiatives are anchored in real-world challenges. And behind the scenes, our team has been developing a proprietary technology platform designed to take student ventures from idea to execution. The platform is called VentureOS, and today I am proud to formally introduce the program it was built to power.
Let me tell you what the accelerator actually is, because it's not what you might expect from a school program. This is a 12-week venture program for scholars in grades 8 through 12. 14 will be selected, and over those 12 weeks, you are going to build a real venture. Not a poster, not a pitch deck for a hypothetical idea, a working product or service that solves a real problem. The difference between this and anything else you've done at the school is the infrastructure behind it. This is VentureOS. We built this platform from scratch, specifically for AISJ, specifically for this program. Think of it as the operating system for your entire venture. It starts with the venture canvas, a structured framework where you map out your problem, your solution, your customer, and your impact. Then there is the AI co-founder, an AI partner embedded directly into your workspace that helps you pressure test your assumptions, refine your strategy, and work through the hard decisions. And everything runs on a milestone pipeline that tracks your team's progress through 4 phases: ignite, build, grow, and launch. You always know where you are and what comes next. But here's the part that I'm most excited about. We are not just teaching concepts. We are putting real tools in your hands. You will learn how to use GitHub, the same version control platform used by every software company in the world. You will deploy live applications using Vercel. You will build with real databases on Supabase. You will work in command line, actual CLI, actual terminal, because that is how products get built. And here's where it gets interesting. You will learn to vibe code. That means using AI, tools like Claude Code, Google's anti-gravity, not just to chat, but to actually build, to write code, to ship features, debug, and iterate on your product in real time. These are not demonstrations. You will open a terminal, connect to your code base, and build. Most schools are still debating whether students should be allowed to use AI. We are teaching our scholars to build with it. That is the difference. The program runs in 4 phases, each one designed to mimic the Babson entrepreneurial framework. Phase 1 is Ignite, 3 weeks. You identify a real problem, form your team, and validate that what you are solving actually matters to the real people. Phase 2 is Build, another 3 weeks. You create your minimum viable product, your MVP. This is where the idea stops being an idea and becomes something you can touch, test, and show to someone. Phase 3 is Grow, 3 weeks. You put your product in front of real users. You collect feedback, you iterate, you measure impact. Phase 4 is Launch, the last 3 weeks. You refine your pitch, you prepare your story, and you present at Demo Day.
Demo Day is the defining moment of the program. 14 scholars will present the ventures they have spent 12 weeks building, not to their classmates, but to an audience of parents, faculty, corporate partners, and community leaders. These scholars will walk away with something most university graduates do not have: a live product they built themselves, a public pitch they delivered under pressure, and the demonstrated ability to use the most advanced tools available in technology today. When your child applies to university 2 or 3 years from now, they will not be writing about an extracurricular activity. They will be pointing to a venture they conceived, built, deployed, and defended. That is a fundamentally different conversation with an admissions committee.
If you're watching this and something is clicking, listen. You don't need a finished idea. You need a problem that matters to you and the willingness to spend 12 weeks solving it. We will teach you the tools. We will give you the platform. We will be in the room with you every step of the way. Applications are open right now. It's a short form. You tell us who you are, what problem you want to solve, and why you are the right person to solve it. Every submission gets reviewed. If you are shortlisted, you come in for a conversation. Not an exam, a conversation, where we talk through the idea and figure out how to make it real. There are only 14 spots, and applications close on the first day of the next school year, August 18th, 2026. Do not sit on this.
AISJ set a direction 12 months ago. The partnerships are in place. The faculty training is complete. The platform is built. The program is designed. What remains is the most important piece: scholars. So I would encourage every family with a child in grades 7 through 11 to have this conversation at home. If your son or daughter has ever looked at a problem and thought, I could fix that, this program was built for them. The application link is available in the email, and I look forward to meeting our founding cohort.